Lady, come here, let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See, you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running, let's just stay here together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Boy, do I have an awesome tutorial for you guys. So today I'm going to be showing you all how I install this beautiful 24-inch lace front unit from Nadula Hair. This unit is 180% density. It is a lace front once again, and you can get it in transparent lace, but for some reason I selected regular lace, but that option is available on the website. Now the cool thing about today's install is that it's very beginner friendly, and we're not going to use Got2b glue gel, we're not going to use WIG glue, and we're not even going to use the Got2b glue free spray. You know those videos where they say, oh, no glue, and then you get there and then there's gel, or they say no gel and then you get there and then there's free spray. You know what I mean? But this one, we're not going to use any of that. Now, looking at the hairline, it says it's pre-plucked, but I did need to customize it more. It wasn't pre-plucked to my liking. So feel free to modify it so that it looks most like your hairline. Here, I'm showing you all what not to do. I've seen individuals just pull strands of hair out, and that's a faster way to get the hair out and to thin it out. But guys, the results are not that great when you look at it up close, so don't do that. So now I'm going to tint the lace. This is an easy method that I've been using. I just apply my foundation to the lace and also Sally Hansen Airbrush spray. I like to layer those two and it looks so good.
Yeah. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me.
Alright y'all, so now we're going to get into the good part. This is what I'm going to be using in order to secure my unit down. I found this Aussie instant freeze mousse on Amazon probably about 3 months ago. It has 24-hour maximum hold, which is perfect for me because I remove my units nightly. So if you're someone who doesn't like to keep your units on for multiple nights, this will be a great option for you. I also have a lot of people who reach out to me and they share that Got2b glue affects their edges and that they've had hair loss and things like that. While Got2b glue doesn't affect me, if you're someone who wants to make sure that your edges are intact and have a healthier way to secure your units down, we're gonna see. I'm not gonna tell you as yet. Well, you kind of already saw, but we'll see how this process works and how I'm able to lay it down with simply a mousse. Now, to start this process, I'd recommend actually styling the unit the way that you want it prior to applying the mousse. So that's just what I'm doing currently. I'm just creating my baby hair, swooping and manipulating it so that it looks the way that I want it, and then I'm gonna proceed to add the mousse. I do want to show you all that this unit was a bit too small for me. I should have gotten a larger size. As you can see on the left side, the ear tabs don't meet where my ears are. It's a little short, so I should have gotten a larger size, but now we're just applying the mousse, and I'm just going to apply that directly to the area where I've already styled it. And guys, it smells so delicious. It smells amazing. So I'm just applying it to the areas where I want it to set, and then I'm going to proceed to smooth it over with my hand and follow it up with my comb.
Lady, come here, let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See, you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running, let's just stay here together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You don't even open up, so your heart can't get crushed. You've been let down so many times, you wonder if you need to get up. You done been through too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up. Hey, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. People say forever is a mighty long time. I don't know. I ain't really tripping if it mean that I'm holding you close to me. Baby girl, you all I need. Your smile is everything. Come and be my company. You need to take off for work. We can road trip in the A. We can take a dip by the bay. Hop on a plane.
Now that we've applied the center and the right side, I decided to test it out a little bit before I even applied a scarf. And guys, as you can see, it had already started to hold. I was so shocked. So now I'm just tweezing it a little bit, and then I'm gonna work on the left side. That was the side that was a bit tricky for me. Now on this side, because the lace doesn't actually meet at my ears, it was a little interesting, but I decided to just apply the mousse on that area, swoop some hair behind my ear, comb it to smooth it down, and then I'm gonna apply some wrap strips.
I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You done been through too much, so I ain't tryna mess this up. No, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay, hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, you just need your vacation.
When drying this, unlike the Got2b glue or any wig glue, we're not going to dry it on the cool setting. We're going to dry it on medium to high heat.
You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation, yeah. We paint the picture while they be tracing, yeah. Landing in all type of nations. Can't get enough of your love, girl, you been so patient. We started off in the basement, now we up out of space again. #1 is the place we in. It's a meal at the finish line. All my people gon' race to win. Lord have mercy on Polo, please. He got a case to win. Can't fold, never crease, don't bend. If you do, don't cry, we been now. So let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay, hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, we just fine. Let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay, hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, you just need your vacation.
Y'all, this hair is so silky and flowy. I love it. And although this unit is in length 24, I feel like it meets the same place that it met when I did a unit that was at length 28. So you do get a good amount of length for your money. So now removing the wrap strips, you all can see that it's laid, but we're going to test it. I am combing it out so that it's not super hard in certain areas. Now the left side, because I didn't let it dry enough, that side did start to lift a little bit. So make sure that you dry it long enough. You can actually sit under a dryer to ensure that it should dry, or just do what I did, but do it much longer. Now, as you can see, I'm tugging at it and it isn't moving. It is laid, y'all. I did not buy this mousse for this reason, and guys, on Amazon they literally have a 3-pack, so I have lots of it, so I'm going to be using this quite a bit. But I originally bought this mousse just because I needed more mousse. I ran out of the one that I originally had, and I saw the Aussie and I was like, well, let me try it. But I didn't realize that it was a freeze mousse, so when I got it, I just kind of tucked it away, maybe used it like once, and then just found the mousse that I actually was looking for, which was the Nairobi mousse. But then as I was going through one of my bins, I realized that I had it, and I was like, ooh, what if this actually secures a unit down? And it did. And so I was so happy to see that, and I had to share it with you all. So right now I'm just making the hairline pop a little more, also the parting pop, and also concealing those knots a little more. This is going to make it look more flesh-like and like it grew out of your scalp. So if you don't have a good face powder, I'd advise that you get one. So I'm just going to do this and we're going to be done, guys. I hope that this video was helpful for those who don't like using the Got2b glue or who have been leery about using it. If you haven't tried any type of glues or gels in general, I've also heard the Gorilla Snot is good for laying your wigs down, so I am going to try that as well. But be sure to like, comment, check the description box for the link and all the specifications for this unit. I hope that you guys have an amazing day. I love you guys. Subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
You just need your vacation.